If you notice a duplicate charge on your account, disputing it through the Chase mobile app is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to resolve the issue efficiently. Step 1. Open the Chase mobile app. Launch the Chase mobile app on your smartphone. Ensure you are logged into your account with your username and password. Step 2. Navigate to Transactions. Once logged in, go to the Accounts section. Select the account where the duplicate charge appears, and then tap on Transactions to view your recent activity. Step 3. Identify the duplicate charge. Scroll through your transactions to find the duplicate charge. Tap on the charge to view more details, ensuring it is indeed a duplicate. Step 4. Initiate the dispute. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open a refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Submit and monitor your dispute. Review the information you provided and submit your dispute. Keep an eye on your notifications or the app for updates regarding the status of your dispute. By following these steps, you can effectively dispute the duplicate charge in the Chase mobile app. If you have any further questions, consider reaching out to Chase customer service for assistance.